All things right and beautiful. All creatures, great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. He made them glowing colors. He made green tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by. The sunset and the morning, the brightness of the sky. The cold winds and the winter, the pleasant summer sun. The creatures from the garden, He made them everyone. He gave us eyes to see them and lips we might tell how great His done. Almighty, He made all things well. And other like Abel and His own.